Thinking about upgrading your Ford Bronco interior? Stay right here, because today I'm showing you the best seat covers that protect your seats, elevate your style, and are built tough enough for every adventure your Bronco takes on. Let's jump straight in. At number 5, we have the FEINEPRO leather seat covers, a premium upgrade designed specifically for the 2021 to 2024 Ford Bronco 4-door. These covers stand out with a precision cut, custom-tailored fit that wraps every corner of your seats for full protection while keeping safety first with pre-reserved airbag openings and convenient seatback pockets. The breathable leather feels soft, durable, and genuinely high-end, offering waterproof and tear-resistant performance without losing comfort on long rides. Compared to what you've seen before, this one raises the bar with its combination of factory-fresh appearance and real leather feel that many users say looks like it came straight from the dealership. Installation stays quick and simple, even though the fit is snug enough to look molded to the seats. As we move forward in this countdown, get ready, because the next pick improves on this already impressive blend of style, comfort, and protection. At number 4, we have the RIDEPOSH leather seat covers, a true luxury upgrade designed exclusively for the Ford Bronco 4-door from 2021 through 2025. These covers step things up with high-quality Napa leather that feels noticeably softer and more premium than the previous option, offering breathable, skin-friendly comfort that elevates long drives. They're custom-tailored to fit every contour without blocking the airbag, armrests, seat adjustments, or child seat anchors, and they include fully wrapped front seats with a built-in seatback organizer for convenience. With a 4-layer protective structure, they guard against spills, scratches, and daily wear while remaining incredibly easy to clean. Users love the factory-fresh look, the clever rear cup holder cutout with zippers and Velcro, and the complete coverage, including headrests. Installation is straightforward with the included accessory set, making this a clear step up in refinement and functionality over the previous pick. Now stay with the countdown as we move to number 3, where comfort and design continue to rise. At number 3, we have the Red Rain leather seat covers, engineered specifically for the Ford Bronco 2-door models from 2021 to 2025. These covers elevate the game with an even more artistic touch, blending accurate factory-style shaping with unique embroidery that adds a personalized, premium look unlike anything before it. Crafted from high-quality Napa leather with a thick 10mm composite layer and a sturdy 17.2-pound build, they offer superior cushioning, better fatigue relief on long drives, and stronger long-term durability compared to the previous pick. The wraparound design ensures every angle is protected, while maintaining full airbag compatibility and access to seatback pockets. Users consistently praise the factory-fit appearance, the ease of installation, and the remarkable comfort that feels like original seating rather than seat covers. As we move to number 2, expect the next item to build on this blend of comfort, craftsmanship, and standout design. At number 2, moving ahead of the Red Rain covers, we have the giant PANDA leather seat covers, custom fit for the 2021 to 2025 Ford Bronco 4-door. These covers take things further with a soft faux leather material that feels smooth like the real thing while offering excellent wear resistance, waterproof protection, and easy cleaning. Unlike the embroidered artistic look of the previous pick, this one brings a more modern, premium style with diamond-quilted stitching that adds depth, structure, and a high-end OEM feel. The full cover design wraps your original seats accurately, protecting them from stains, wear, and pet hair while giving your Bronco a fresh, upscale look. Users love the glove-like fit, the premium feel, and the way these covers blend seamlessly with the interior to the point where people can't even tell they're covers at all. Compared to number 3, this option delivers a more heavy-duty build, cleaner styling, and an even tighter, more molded fit. Stay with the countdown as we move into number 1, where the top pick delivers the strongest overall performance in comfort, durability, and design. Finally at number 1, standing above every option before it, the Mabett seat covers take the top spot with a design crafted specifically for the 2024 Ford Bronco models equipped with rear cup holders. What sets these apart from the giant PANDA covers is their meticulous integration with every factory feature, allowing full use of the seatbelt buckles, the rear armrest, the airbag system, and especially the rear cup holder without compromise. The OEM-inspired design uses a protective felt backrest layer that pairs seamlessly with the main cover, giving your Bronco full wraparound protection while maintaining a clean, factory-built look. These covers are tear-resistant, beautifully fitted, and praised for feeling like genuine factory leather, tight, smooth, and perfectly molded to the seat lines. While installation takes effort, the payoff is a flawless, glove-like fit that many users say looks better than the original upholstery and is impossible to recognize as seat covers. As the number 1 pick, the Mabett covers outperform the previous options with the most precise fit, the most OEM-authentic look, and the strongest long-term durability and structure.